One, two, three, funk it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? A sunny morning here in Abu Dhabi. So we're gonna go to Bab Alcazar for breakfast. It's our second time there, but the last time we were there, we had our iftar for our company, and now we're gonna have breakfast. So let's try. We're here now in Bab Alcazar and happy to be back. So we have a free valet parking here if you're gonna dine into the restaurants. So we're gonna go to Artisan Restaurant for breakfast. Let's go. We're gonna have 4 here. Grilled turkey bacon. What's the other one? Chicken sausage. Waffles and pancakes and French toast in here. Then there's some dry fruits and almonds. There's hot oats here. Wala pa. There's more food in here. I think these are all Indian cuisine. Then salads, fruits in here. And there's juices. Different kinds of juices. Fruits, more fruits. There is coffee, self-service here. They have teas, different kinds of teas. They have their brewed coffee, and they have their coffee machine that serves cappuccino and latte as well. Let's go. Egg station. Thank you, chef. My first plate. Like Benny's. And a brewed coffee. Let's eat mga beshies and enjoy. Yogurts here, granolas, mostly. More yogurts. There's almond milk and soy milk as well. And cereals. Croissants. Second plate. So for now, I'm gonna have some croissants and Danish and pancake and French toast and an almond milk. So bread na. This is my second plate. Let's go. 7 out of 10.
Nganit sa ako yung cake nila.
Kuha ka pa?
Hindi, tapos na ako.
Hindi ka na kuha ng ano, salty foods?
Hindi na. Tapos na ako.
Ibig naman.
Hindi naman pwede yung bong gawin.
Kuha nga mo hash brown.
Hindi naman po ulit may pagkakataon ngayon.
Kailangan galingan mo.
Yung patcha na naman yun. Yung dyan ko ngayon na ninotice ko na nalamanan ko ng kabigat na hindi na yung normal na portion na kinakain natin. Parang ang sakit-sakit na. Feeling ko kasi nag-adjust na yung ano ko yung itukan ko. So ayaw na niya ng nahihirapan na siya i-process pag medyo nalamanan ko na naman ng snack. Yung kain ko before kain. Kasi yung kain hanggang pumutok.
Sarap ng chocolate croissant. For me, it's 8 out of 10. Medyo, ano, Paris feels. Wow. Kasi flaky.
Sarap ng carrots. Ang sarap na ito.
Sarap nga. Now we'll try the pistachio Danish. Happy tayo. Halap. Parang ano? Parang peanut.
Parang hindi pistachio yan.
9 out of 10. Sarap siya. Pero color green.
At no, ano? Tsaka ano?
Kasal. Ang sarap na. Pero tignan mo ito, ang sarap.
Buti pala nagpantalon ako ng ganito mo. Hindi ko nagpantalon pa ako. Hindi.
Ahap.
Mga pagpamagana nila ako.
Oo nga. Mamaya. Buti nga nakaupo ka kung nakatayo ka baka hiningan ka na ng order. French toast man.
Nangingi na rin ako ng gloves.
Masarap siya kasi hindi matamis.
Ang dalawa.
May aura sila, gala.
Pero yung lalaki, bulto rin yung ano. Bulto rin yung kinuha. Big time ano, one time, big time na siya. Yung babae parang uminom-inom lang ng ano, kung ano iniinom niya. Soya or almond.
Maka-almond yun.
Kumain lang ng mga ilang piraso ng tinapay.
Yung French toast para ano, for me, 7 out of 10. Pancake. Seven out of 10 din. Kasi hindi matatamis. Masarap. Too much bread. Cheers. This is where we had our breakfast here in Bab Alcazar in Artisan Kitchen. So yeah. Beautiful interior of the hotel here in Bab Alcazar. Amazing. It's more of like a local designed hotel. And outside is a golden building. So yeah, it's so beautiful here and it's good to be back. Second time around. Hello mga beshies! We just finished our breakfast at the Artisan Restaurant here in Bab Alcazar, and we're just hanging around here in their lobby. So beautiful. The lobby, their interior design is so posh, and it's so local with a touch of gold and palm trees. So, how would you rate your breakfast here?
Yeah, I'll rate it like 8.
8.
Yeah.
There.
8 because I didn't get to eat like Filipino or Chinese.
Yeah.
Because I was expecting like fried rice or rice,
Yeah.
kinda.
Yeah.
But
Actually,
anyway,
that is the one
overall,
lacking.
Yeah, but the overall experience is
8. Yeah, same with me.
yeah.
For me, I enjoyed a lot with the bread selection, and the hot food was fine as well. And then of course the unlimited brewed coffee, I enjoyed it a lot. And then I was able to experience hot chocolate. I'm not fond of hot chocolate, but the hot chocolate that they had here in the kettle was awesome. So overall, 8 out of 10 for the breakfast here. Yes, yummy. Thank you.
One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.